I'm Charlie.
I'm Bill. Grandpa, wish you were here.
Who is she?
I really like having a nice quiet weekend.
Shame on you.
Love you.
Hey, we're Robbie.
That's Robbie.
Robbie and Little Robbie.
And if you really exist, I'm Scott.
You're awful.
I'm Jeannie.
Okay. Who are you, loud girl?
Hey, it's the fit picture.
Oh, yeah. Who are you?
Hey, I'm Bo.
Emily.
Hey, I'm the other Emily.
It's Emily June. Where's Kaylin? Whoops. I don't want to make anybody seasick. As she goes round and round.
Who's gonna get Mary Helen? Who's gonna get Mary Helen?
Look,
Nobody.
right there.
Kaylin? Can you say your name? No, that's Kaylin. That's Kaylin.
And if you don't know who's taking the picture, it's Grandma.
It's Grandma.
Helen.
It's Mary Helen.
Grandma.
Excuse me, answer. And I do love you. I do miss you. I really
Anybody else?
No, I don't think so.
Are we good?
Good deal. They're good. Get right over here again.
Man, we
Maybe
dork
get Kaylin
that video
smiling
every
this time.
Kaylin, you wave to the camera?
Oh, well.
That's
Maybe
okay.
not. There's Robbie.
Cheese. Hey, Robbie.
Kaylin's hormonal today.
Hormonal. Hey, Kaylin. Say hi for Aunt Jenny.
This Kenna?
Kaylin, say hi.
Do a little panorama.